Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome site settings, and in this video I will show you on how to enable always use desktop view in your Chrome browser on your phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Having opened up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the slider. Then go ahead and click on settings. Then scroll down right here until you get to site settings. The next thing you want to do here is to scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down until you get to desktop site. So go ahead and click on desktop site. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and switch to this. It's that simple. And with that, any website you visit on your Chrome browser is going to be in desktop view, just like you are using PC or laptop to browse. So let's go back right here, and then I'll go ahead and create a new tab right here and type in the site right here. So let's say, for instance, I'm going to search for Facebook and hit enter. Then it's going to give me the result in desktop mode, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Chrome settings like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.